Mark here with DIY Wise. Today we got a leaky dishwasher to try to fix. I got a whirlpool here. It's been leaking out of the bottom down here on each of the corners. I believe it's a seal. So I ordered a new gasket for the door on Amazon. We'll give it a shot and see if that takes care of the problem. Okay, so my washer's been leaking right here out of this corner and this corner here. So I'm thinking it's the gasket. First thing we're gonna do, you're gonna open your door and your model number and everything. Make sure you look wherever you order that. Amazon, just get the part number, search it on Google, and you'll be able to find the right part number you're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tray here. That way it's out of the way. All right, so we're gonna grab the gasket right at the bottom. Just simply peel it right out. So after removing that gasket, I can see there's some crud in there where that gasket slides in. So we just grab a towel, wet towel, or grab a regular screwdriver. That way I can get in that crevice corner. Just simply use that towel to clean out all that crud out of there. It's just soap scum, it looks like. You can see just all that soap scum that's back in there. We're just gonna wipe this clean here on the edge. Open up our new gasket here. Grab the old one, throw it on the door here. Just look at it and compare the two. They're made a little bit different, but there's a bunch of different manufacturers on Amazon. I'm just gonna grab it, check the length of it real quick. It is extra long, which is a good thing. All right, we got plenty of length here, so I'm just gonna start down the bottom, bend a little bit of excess there, like it did on the other one. Start to push it in. Slowly work it in. Make sure it went in at the bottom. Alright, we got the bottom worked in well. Slowly work your way up. Corner is a little more difficult. Just got to roll it and make sure you're getting it in correctly. Check everything before I go too far. We got this over here on the side. Make sure we're good. Alright, so we got a bunch of excess here. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors. Just going to cut off a lot of this excess. Get that bent down in there like the old one was. And go all the way around the seal just to make sure it's seated correctly. Everything looks seated correctly. We'll get the tray back in here. We'll close the door here now. Make sure it seats properly. Open it back up. We'll get one more check just to make sure everything seemed good. Whenever I shut the door, you can tell the difference there. There was a lot more pressure on the door from this newer gasket. Shut the door. Okay, we'll go ahead and run this through a cycle. Make sure nothing leaks. And hopefully we're good to go after this. This is Mark with DIY Wise. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.